Hey, it's Jamie with the Summer Rain channel. So today I was making some candles for an upcoming post, and some of the tops didn't turn out quite how I wanted them to. So I thought in this video I could just show you how you can go ahead and smooth out the tops if they don't come out exactly how you were hoping. So I just wanted to show you really quick. On this one I was doing some testing with candles, and as you can see I poured and my Sharpie got in the wax, so the top isn't perfect, and I just wanted to show you kind of in general how you would go about fixing a candle that the top doesn't look very nice. Now you could use this just like this, like if you're using it for yourself, but I always like to touch mine up. So I have a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, you can certainly use like a hair dryer or something like that. Just the heat gun works a little bit quicker. So what I'm going to do is put it on the lowest setting and just melt the top of the candle here. Now, normally you wouldn't need to melt very much, but because I have this big old clump of wax, I'm gonna have to melt just a little bit more. And then now that we have that heated up, we will just put the Sharpie to hold the wick up and allow it to cool. And then I'll also show you on this candle, as you can see, the top's not perfect, so I'm just going to touch that up a wee little bit. And then we're just going to let this cool. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this makes your candle making experience just a little bit better. Bye!